Hi guys, my name is Zeeshan Shah and I'm the CEO of a number of companies within the real estate space, both in Pakistan, in London, in the UK, in Dubai, and also in the United States of America. I was supposed to be there with you today for the launch of the Royal Colosseum, but unfortunately due to some last minute commitments, I've not been able to make it, which I'd like to apologise for, as I was really looking forward to coming and seeing all of you over there. As a group, we have overseen more than $1 billion in global transactions, including having a current development portfolio in Pakistan of over $250 million. We are proud to be a leader in the real estate space, and for me, I wanted to come today and share with you guys about the importance of education, and not only in education, but the best of an international education, the best that the world offers. And that is why I am so delighted to hear about the Royal Colosseum opening in Pakistan and offering the best of global education within our homes in Pakistan. I would like to say a huge congratulations to the founders, Nisha and Azi, on founding this amazing initiative, and Nimra, who's the executive director, and Samia as well. I wish you guys all the best. I'm sure, as with everything you do, this is going to be another fantastic initiative and a real help in the growth of Pakistan's youth. I look forward to in the future offering your students within my group with my companies in Dubai, One Investments, or in the UK with One Capital or DR Homes, or even in the US internships to work with us and grow together. Thank you everyone for your time. It was a pleasure speaking with you. And I'm sure, as with everything that this group does, they're going to teach the youth about entrepreneurship, about developing an entrepreneurial spirit, and going out there and changing the world. Thank you.